What's going on, YouTube? Here's another smoke alarm video. I got this for an early birthday gift from my mother. What we have here is the Teledyne Water-Pik model number D-1, which D-1 made by Water-Pik. It takes 6 AA batteries. And it's a huge unit. So, yeah, once again I got this early gift from my mother. She got it off from eBay, brand new in the box. Hold on, I'm gonna get the box real quick. Here's the box that came with. Pretty cool. And the manual. And I would test this, but however, I do not got smoke spray right now, and I honestly don't feel like going out and burning something up to set it off. I mean, I already tested it earlier. I set it off with some real actual smoke out in the back. Basically, I'll get to that in a minute, but yeah, like I said, I ain't gonna go and set it off real quick, but I will be ordering some smoke spray soon, so I will be having a video real quick. But however, there is a few YouTubers that do have one of these if you want to go check that out. Belt alarms and fans and more. Wait a second. Yeah, Belt Alarms and Fans has one of these. Federal 3T22 has one, and Game Alarms have one. I'm not fully. I can't even talk today. Sorry if I mistaken. So yeah, but once again, here it is. Pretty cool, and I will be doing a test video here soon. Until then, stay tuned for more.